Alright guys, we're here in a 2025 Honda Pilot, all keys lost. Let's see if we can do it here. Okay, we're going to go to all keys lost. We have internet. So we're going to hold the start button. There we are, release it, we're going to hit OK. 2 keys stored. Got the new key in here. Don't have a choice. Hit off. Back on. Don't see an immobilizer light, so we're going to hit yes. Switch ignition off. One key stored. (2025) Honda Pilot, all keys lost. Brought to you by Advanced Diagnostics.